Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways drivers can make more money. Tip number 1, you guys, you already know what's coming. You gotta sign up for Solo. Link down below in the description as always. Solo is this awesome app for all drivers. You can actually make like $5,000 or more per year using Solo because they have this cool feature called pay guarantee, along with a bunch of other awesome features that will help you make more money and with scheduling and goal reaching. But the pay guarantee is what will really help you because you can set to work a certain hour and they'll give an estimate of how much you can make in that hour depending on like the time and location. And if you don't meet that estimate, they'll actually send you the difference. So you can always be sure that you're going to be making a certain amount of money when you get on the road. What's great is that they're actually doing a big California launch. So if you tried to sign up for Solo in the past to get pay guarantee and it wasn't available, you should try again now because it's now going to be available in California. Not only is the pay guarantee available in California, but also the smart schedule and net income and paid insights. So all my lovely California residents, make sure to sign up. Link down below in the description. If you link your gig account, you can actually get $10. Like they'll literally send you $10 completely for free for using our link. So be sure to do that. Let's move on to tip number 2. You can try to schedule your driving time around surge prices. So if you didn't already know, surge pricing is when the prices are higher than usual because it's usually maybe like a busier time, a busier area. And if you drive according to those times in those areas, you can potentially get more and get those surge prices. Tip number 3. Another good way to make more money is to try multi-apping. So if you sign up for Uber and Lyft, you can actually have them both online at the same time, so you can see like which one you get a trip in first. And once you start that trip, you can go offline on the other app. But yeah, that way you don't have a ton of like downtime just waiting for rides to come because there's 2 apps like trying to find rides for you at the same time. Tip number 4. Now, I've actually personally heard people tell me this as like a tip that actually helped them, but just keep like a tip jar in your car, like in the cup holders or something, because you'd be surprised how many people might feel like just leaving a tip. And I actually know people who have gotten tips that way. You just want to be careful that someone doesn't try to like steal from you. But other than that, like sometimes people might just have like random cash on them or coins they're trying to get rid of and they'll leave it in there. So you really never know, like it might help you make a little bit extra money. And now my last tip for you guys, tip number 5, is to use the passenger app. Whether you're using Uber or Lyft, you should go on the passenger app, and that way you can see if there's other drivers around you or where all the drivers are. Let's say like you're in a really busy area and you're wondering why you're not getting any ride requests. If you go on the passenger app, you might be able to see like, oh, there's a ton of other drivers right near me. And maybe if you drove like a couple blocks down or around the corner, there'd be way less drivers over there and you'd have a better chance of getting a ride request. So it's always good to look at the passenger app as just like a little hack so you don't have to be waiting around again for like wasting time and having too much downtime. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Again, huge California launch for Solo, so if you're in California and you want to get that pay guarantee or that smart schedule, be sure to sign up with our link down below in the description and you will also get $10 completely for free. Anyways, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.